afraid of the dark? Are you scared?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Halloween tutorial, and it's going to be on this dead cracked doll look. So if you want to learn how to get this look, then please keep watching. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Revlon Pore Reducing Primer. For my foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 110 Porcelain. I'm also going to use my foundation as my concealer.
Are you scared?
And to set my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Loose Setting Powder in the shade Fair. For my brows, I'm going to be using Benefit Ka-Brow in the shade 3. To prime my eyes, I'm going to be using my MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. And you want to make sure that you're bringing your base all the way out. And then I'm just going to set it with the same powder from before. First, I'm going to start with the Dose of Colors Marvelous Mauve. Taking the shade Rosy on a Morphe M441 brush, I'm just gonna sweep it all around and bring it out here too. Now I'm taking Wishy Washy on a E22, and I'm gonna put that in my crease.
Are you scared?
And bring it out. I'm also going to put it on my lid. I'm going into Spaced Out on a Sigma E23. What's so great about this look, you can be kind of careless with where you put your eyeshadow because it's supposed to be messy. Now taking Wine Stain on a M433 brush, I'm just going to pat it right above my lash line. For underneath my eyes, I'm going to go back into Rosy on the same brush, and I'm just going to put this all underneath my eye.
Are you scared?
Then I'm going back into Wishy Washy, same brush that I used for earlier, and I'm going to do the same thing, sweeping it all underneath my eye. And same thing with Spaced Out. I'm not going to bring it as far down. And then same thing with Wine Stain, but I'm going to put this right on my lash line. And then I'm going to bring it out and up, and then blend it into the outer corner. Now I'm going to take my M441 brush and go into Fluffy, and I'm going to sweep it all over my lid and my crease. While we want the eye to be dark, we also want it to be very dull looking. So putting the lighter color over the dark will just make it duller. And I'm going to do it under my eye too. Going into this big Sephora palette I have, I'm going to be taking this gray color on my E22 and just putting it all over my lid and up into my crease. And I'm also going to sweep it under my eye. Now I'm going to take this black and lightly sweep it under the eye and right above my top lashes. Now I'm going to go into this lighter gray color with the M441 brush And do the same thing we did earlier with Fluffy, just making the dark eyeshadow duller.
I will catch you.
Now, taking a mix of Rosy and Wishy Washy, I'm going to be using them as my blush. Now I'm going to take Spaced Out and Wine Stain. I'm going to blend it into my hairline. For mascara, I'm going to be using Tarte Gifted.
Are you afraid of the dark?
For my lashes, I'm going to be using Ardell Double Up in 204. To make the cracks on my face, I'm going to be using my Tarte Clay Pot in black, and I'm going to be using a MAC 210 eyeliner brush. I'm going to start with making a hole in the middle of my forehead that the cracks are going to radiate out from. Now I'm just going to start drawing the cracks. You can do it randomly or you can follow a picture, which is what I was doing. And there will be a link to that picture in the description box.
You from behind. You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch you before you know. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? You know, I am you.
this look realistic, I'm gonna take this brown shade and I'm gonna start shading in certain places of the cracks. This part is similar to contouring, where you're putting the brown shade are places that you want to pull back and look sunken in.
I am you. I'm coming closer. I will catch you. The time it goes tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared? I am you.
I'm taking a white eyeliner and I'm putting it in places that I really want to highlight the crack. This is similar to when you're highlighting your face. You want to put the lighter shade in places that you want to bring forward.
Are you afraid of the dark? Are you scared?
For my lips, I'm going to be using Kat Von D liquid lipstick in Wolf.
You can hear me in your mind. Run so fast as you can go. Time will catch.
Now I'm going to put Kat Von D's Lovesick in the center of my lips. Now I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to smudge the outside.
Are you scared? I am you.
Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!